Craving something bold, fragrant and unforgettable? Let me take you on a journey to the heart of Arabia. I can't lie, I got this recipe from my Arabic work colleague, so you can't question how authentic this recipe is. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to cook up an Arabic dish called Lamb Kabsa. First of all, I'm going to slice up 2 onions. I'm going to keep the green chilies whole, but you can cut them up if you like. I'm going to roughly chop 1 tomato. And this is the easiest way to crush garlic. My mum hates it when I do it like this. But instead of using the whole pestle and mortar business and just crushing 1 garlic at a time, I think this is a lot easier. I don't even have to wash anything, I can just throw the plastic bag in the bin. Let's get cooking. I'm going to put half a cup of oil in a pan, followed by some whole spices. A list of the ingredients I used are in the description below. In 1 minute I'm going to add in the lamb. I'm going to cook this on a high heat until it completely changes colour. And now that it's changed colour, I'm going to add in some garlic, some onion and a little bit of kabsa spices. I added 1 teaspoon just to give the lamb some flavour. I'm now going to transfer all of that into a pressure cooker. I'm going to add 2 large glasses of water. I'm going to cook 2 large glasses of rice, which means I'll add 4 large glasses of water. I'm going to make sure I use the same glass to measure the rice and the water. I'm going to put 2 glasses in now and 2 later. I'm going to pressure cook that for no more than 30 minutes. Onto the base of the rice, I'm going to add some pure desi ghee into a large pan. I'm going to heat that up and add some onions. I'm now going to brown the onions. The browner you get your onions, the browner the rice will be. I don't want the rice to be too dark, so I'm going to stop here. I'm now going to add some tomatoes and the rest of the garlic and the chilies. I'm going to cook that on a high heat for 5 minutes and then add the kabsa spices. I added around 2 teaspoons of kabsa spices. And here are the ingredients inside the kabsa spices, just in case you haven't got kabsa spices at home. I'm now going to add some lime powder, some red chilli powder and some salt. I'm going to add some water and cook that for a further 10 minutes, stirring regularly. I'm going to turn my heat down to medium. Meanwhile, the lamb is cooked. I'm just going to release that pressure from the pressure cooker. I'm going to add everything from the pressure cooker into the pan with the rice base. I'm now going to add the remainder 2 glasses of water and bring this to a full rolling boil. I'm just going to add some coriander at this point. I'm just going to mix some orange food colour with some boiling water. This part is completely optional, you don't have to give your rice that orange colour. So at this point I'm just going to add in the rice. And a very important reminder, the rice has been soaked for around 2 to 3 hours. So I'm going to keep that going on a very high heat until half of the water has evaporated. And when the rice looks like this, I'm going to put the lid on and let it simmer for around 30 minutes. I'm going to make sure the heat is on low to medium. Sometimes 20 minutes is enough, it just depends on the quality of your rice. And that's it, we're all done. This is more than a meal, it's a cultural experience on a plate. If you love this recipe, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and also leave me a comment about what you think about this recipe. I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.
You got a potato? No. I don't know. Papa's under his shoulders. Papa. Papa? Papa? Okay, No.